President Emerson Mnangagwa is warned against divisions within the ZANU-PF party. Zarapina mashoko ari kuda panguva ino achinyorwa achinzi President warns against divisions in discipline. Lodi kwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mzimi FM stereo audanyira achiti. His warning comes as party activists and officials are openly attacking each other on social media platforms, showing signs of deep-rooted divisions in the Revolutionary Party. But in a strong reaction to the infighting, the party's first secretary warned that the indiscipline must stop. He was addressing the ZANU-PF War Veterans League 4th National Assembly at the party's headquarters yesterday. In quotes, "Let us all reject all tendencies that divide the party. The spirit of comradeship that binds us should never be abused. All our individual and collective actions must advance the overall interest of the party and our nation," he said. The president stressed that unity remains key to both party cohesion and national progress, declaring that unity, peace, and development remain our strong shield. He urged war veterans to help strengthen grassroots structures and preserve the ideals of patriotism and loyalty among younger generations. President Emerson Mnangagwa also called on the ZANU-PF War Veterans League to provide leadership and ideological guidance ahead of the party's forthcoming self-verification exercise, saying it is at the grassroots level where party principles and procedures must be entrenched. The president announced the expansion of programs targeting more veterans, including housing schemes, specialized health centers, entrepreneurship training, scholarships, support for veteran-led enterprises, and access to affordable financing. He also reaffirmed the party's commitment to issuing land title deeds to all veterans and supporting productive land use. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva ino. Pana comment section medu dzofungura aimori kudiva muzoro pechitwa ichi. Subscribe or like chitonga bell icon.